Hold on. Starting? Okay. Starting. Hey guys, what's up? It's Logan Beast here, and we are back with another video, of course, because you're freaking watching it. And this is... Get away.
Sky shower.
Boom. That one random
That
kid.
one random.
He's so random, because he's a quarter Chinese, boy.
Shut up.
Everyone likes Chinese. Okay,
Everybody hates Chinese people.
I like them. Now look, we have a car.
I got made fun of.
Right here. Well,
yeah, we're gonna see which one out of these 6 cars are the fastest. This one don't have any wheels. These don't.
Hold on, let's get another look at that car.
Oh yeah, that. Well, that one's from Batman. I had to get it. There was no not getting it. It has little guns. It looks kind of like a scorpion on the bottom or something. It's really cool.
Hold on, slow it down a little bit. They cannot even see it.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's so sick. Yes, that's awesome. Then we have this right here.
No. Those ones don't matter. They'll see them in a little bit. Okay, look. Hey, wait. I'll even show you why they wouldn't work.
Because they're not flat enough.
Well,
not
look.
flat enough. They're too high.
This one,
of course, it's not gonna work.
it works, but it doesn't go through.
Yeah, it doesn't go through. So
if it doesn't go through, it doesn't work.
Oh, this is the
This
fish.
one.
They got some
Yeah,
cool leaves
no.
in
Nobody
there.
cares about them. Okay, look.
I do.
And then this one, it will kind of go off the track, so that one wouldn't count.
Yeah, and plus it would just slide
This
off.
one's back wheels are too big for it. I mean, it would kind of work, but its back wheels are a little big. So that doesn't work. This one's obviously too
The
big.
camera is kind of lagging.
Or actually, yeah, it's a little big.
It's too big. Bro.
Because if you were racing this car versus this car, look, this car can smoothly go down. This car stops and then he goes. So
yeah, it's like.
I mean, he would kind of work, but he really doesn't. Yeah, I mean, he kind of works, but he really doesn't.
So we got the
Otherwise,
three. We got the 6 contestants. What's
Quick,
their name,
wait.
Ryan?
Well,
Bill.
no,
Fred.
no, shut up. This one is a.
This closed caption sponsorship is brought to you by.
Never mind, I can't see it.
The nigga.
Thomas, you know you're not supposed to say that word.
This one is a 69 Mercury Cyclone.
Bruh, Tom, smile.
This one.
Bruh, smile. Go like.
This one is a
Do it.
Ford F5.
I don't even have the video on. See?
Hey. Okay, look.
Comedy.
Look. Hey. And this one. Okay. So.
And this one
Corvette-
costs
This
20,000.
Corvette gets stuck by a little nub at the end. and
Yeah,
that's what you
because a
connect-
little.
That's what you connect to other Hot Wheels tracks. And if you already know about that, you can just ignore us. But if you don't, listen. Okay. So
Okay,
this
let's just
one-
skip onto the video. Let's just skip to.
And this one.
Okay, we're starting now.
And this one. Don't go through. So it don't work. I know you said you don't care. Okay.
Yeah.
So first contestant cars go up, and they're almost twins.
My phone is about to die.
Well, my phone's dead.
Well, I gotta make this video.
They're almost.
Okay.
It's basically mine and yours.
So those ones are almost the
One.
exact same.
2.
Wait.
Yeah, why don't y'all care?
Which one do you
Don't
think is
mess
gonna
with
win?
Balloon.
Okay. 1. Alright, 3.
2.
2. Well.
It was a red one. The red one won.
No.
One.
Let's do that again. Look. Wait.
I guess it really is the red.
It was the red one.
No, that time the black one got caught. Look.
You're with the black one.
See,
It
the
was-
black one won that time.
Okay, so
So
the black one won.
black one's fast. Okay, I don't like having
Hey,
to pull
Thomas,
that thing up.
can you go tell her that we're making a video?
Okay, look. And then
Boom.
Oh,
There's a tie. There's a tie.
no, I didn't read.
Freaking tie.
I didn't read.
Thomas, go tell her that we're making a
it.
video.
No, how about Tom's the cameraman and you go take a shower real quick?
Okay.
The orange one. The orange one's faster.
Thomas. Hold on, Ryan. Pause that. Thomas.
She said that she doesn't give a crap. She's an adult.
Yellow one. Wait.
Well, guys, hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. And
You can pause it.
Okay, so yellow one's faster.
so guys, thank you for watching this video. This was a nice clip. Gotta go take a shower, guys. And be right back with the plush video. We might even continue this in the next video, part 1. Part 2.
Cameraman.
I don't want to be my cameraman. No one touches this camera.